Hi, my name is Marco Zampiero and I'm Italian chef, and I'm here to introduce you to the use of the new combi oven brought to you by GGM Gastro. What we are doing now is to prepare the salmon scallops. So we do season with a little salt, a little pepper, and this will be ready to be grilled in the oven. After the salmon, we do prepare the vegetables that have to be steamed. Broccoli will be green beans, French beans, and will be zucchini. We do broccoli and we prepare the flowers of the broccoli. The combi oven is brought to you by GGM Gastro, and what I learned with the broccoli is that it is very nice to see the broccoli set on this way on the dries, but to have a better cooking, you just put the broccoli upside down, because on this way you cook first side of the broccoli. It's nice, it's a very sunny day outside, a little cold for me, but it's a very sunny day, and easy to control the steam temperature. Now we are ready, like zucchini, so we start to prepare the zucchini. We just cut the zucchini in bâton, as the French says. Here we are, nice zucchini sticks, ready to be steamed with all the other veggies. Always perforated tray, stainless steel. And we do put the zucchini on the right. Place. Okay, this is ready to go. So this is a combi oven, so it can work on baking, it can work also on steaming, and this is what we are doing now. First, I will bake some salmon, and then after the salmon I will steam some vegetables, and then we do present the plate with the two things made on the oven. So now the oven has already been set at 225 degrees without humidity. The fan speed is on 5, but I will reduce the fan speed on 2 because we want to grill the salmon to give the nice color, the stripes on the surface, but we do not want to go too much inside the meat during the cooking. So the fan speed will be set on 2. So nothing, just this is the resume. Time is infinite because we might need to carry on grilling during the service at the restaurant. 225 degrees. There is not control of humidity, but well, we can dry the inside cabinet and the fan speed will be on 2. So let's start with the scallops. So then we start grilling that way. Then when the cooking will be almost ready, we'll turn the salmon. But first we bake this side. Open the door and just put the salmon inside the oven. Okay? Good. So we open and a nice scallop. This. Now we are using the multi-level cooking, so we will set the temperature. So that will be 100 degrees. As you can see, you can use also the knob or the screen. Okay, 100 degrees, humidity 100%, a fan speed on 5. So we start. Okay, now as soon as we reach the temperature, we will steam for 12 minutes the broccoli, and same time we will steam the French beans. The zucchini will take 8 minutes to be ready. It is really produced inside the cooking cabinet because, as said, this is a direct injection oven. 99, let's go. So, zucchini on the second level, and the other vegetables on the 5th level. We want to avoid the condensing water over the broccoli to drop over the zucchini. Now we have to give the timer. So we go back here on the second level, we put the zucchini. So we're gonna give 8 minutes of cooking. On the 5th level, we add all the other stuff, I mean broccoli and French beans. That will take 14 minutes. Here we go. Here we have the 2 timers shown on the display. Zucchini are ready in 20 seconds. So they are cooked perfectly. And now on the bottom shelf we have the other vegetables that are almost cooking. It takes another 6 minutes to be ready. Anyway, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hear the message that tells me that tray number 2 is ready to be took off the oven. So always be careful when you open the door because you might be invested by the steam. Okay, and then here are the vegetable out. Okay, look how nice is the color. Now on the same way, you see it is 5 seconds left to the end of cooking, and now the oven is saying that the tray number 5 is ready. Let's take out the French beans and the broccoli. Here they are, ready to be served. We should normally put them on the blast chiller, but as you can see, they are keeping a very nice, perfect color, perfectly cooked. So we have everything ready now to dress the salmon plate. So we have this beautiful grilled salmon that we are going to place in the middle. Okay, so this one, and this one too, and then beautiful. We have some fresh beans here. Okay, and on this way we have beautiful zucchini, all steamed, natural. You must feel the taste of the steamed vegetable prepared on the combi steamer, brought to you by GGM Gastro, which is introducing on the market these beautiful tools. Okay, and as you can see, beautiful steamed broccoli. If you love natural food, this is the best way to have it. Here it is. This is a very healthy and natural food, cooked on the grill and steamed on the combi oven. I told you, brought to you by GGM Gastro here in Germany.